Hello. Today I will be introducing you to my 6 dogs and, if he's around, my cat Boots. First, this is Bree. By the way, this video might be in 2 parts, so this is Bree chewing on I don't know what she has actually. What's it for? A clothes peg. Not good. Oh, come on then, Penny. This is Penny. She's the newest addition. Come on. She's the newest addition, and she is a Chihuahua cross Jack Russell. Although she does look like she's whole Chihuahua, don't you, Ben? Bang, bang. And yes, they all like to eat grass. Next one is bothering me from behind. You might have seen her in a previous video. My football loving dog, Fizz. Yeah, Fizz. And she's not going to leave me alone until I kick the ball for her. Now, kicking this while holding the camera steady and trying to get it over the Penny. That's gone over there somewhere. Okay, join me for my second video. Well, I'll be introducing the boy dogs. Fizz. See you then.